welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for hitting that subscribe button for me. I appreciate y'all for hitting that like button, man, and share my video if you can. So I want to show you guys what I did to the crossfire today. I did a dope video with my Camaro yesterday, man. That's why I say y'all have to stay tuned, because you never know what video I post, and that way you guys can get a good idea of what to do with your car and make your car look like, you know. So I did a sick little wrap on the Camaro yesterday. It's got like the blood theme on there. I did tire stickers on there, but it's currently not here at my home right now because we supposed to be having a big thunderstorm with tornadoes and stuff like that. So I went on ahead and moved that car to another location until all of this is over. And then I got the crossfire here today. I did some tire stickers on that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like now, man. It looked crazy, man. I told y'all I'm gonna keep bringing these videos to y'all, man, because I want y'all to know what I'm doing, and I want to show y'all what the process of me doing these mods to the cars and stuff, man. I want to bring y'all along. So with that being said, let me turn this camera around, guys. I appreciate y'all, and I appreciate y'all for hitting that subscribe button, man. You know, we're gonna get this channel growing, man, and yeah. So let me turn this camera around, guys, so y'all can see. Just rinsed the car off. The car was very dirty, as you guys can see, man. It's a little bit of sun out here right now, but it's gonna change here in a little bit, guys. Let's go walk around on this side. It's dark on some sides, like in the area back there. It's a little dark. So yeah, it started raining pretty bad this morning, early this morning. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and show you. This is what we got, man. We got tirestickers.com. Ain't that what tall guys say? Tirestickers.com, man. That is where you want to go get your tire stickers at. This stuff works really good. The glue works pretty good, guys. Yeah, so when tall guy be on there talking about tirestickers.com, get his promo code and all that, it is real, guys. I used his promo code, and instantly about 10 bucks, 15 bucks knocked off the price, guys. So with these little strips here, guys, I only paid just for the strips alone, I paid around, I would say about 30 something bucks for all four. So it wasn't that bad, guys. The glue, man, the glue is sick. Like, the glue is just, it sticks real good on here, man. It sticks really good. So you definitely get your money's worth out of what you spend, man, on tirestickers.com. They ain't playing no games, man. They get you right. They get you the right stuff. That way your tire stickers won't fall off, man. So if you guys didn't know, I did change the exhaust out. I went with a quad look. They dirty right now. We got a car meet tonight, so if I go to that, man, I'm definitely gonna have to clean the car up. So as you guys can see, I have it's like a staggered look, guys, and that's the look that I was really leaning to, was a staggered look. If you guys can tell, the two pipes in the front is more sticking out than the other ones. And then yeah, these are carbon fiber as well, guys. So yeah, man, it sounds good. I know some of you guys on my last video were saying that you couldn't hear me talking and explaining the exhaust that I have. So this exhaust that I have, guys, is straight piped, and I did a muffler delete, guys, and no flow masters or nothing like that. It's just straight pipe, quad tips, and that's just about it, guys. That's all I did to it. They put brand new piping underneath there, and they made it happen, man. I gotta get a thumbnail, man. Thumbnail right there, thumbnail. So yeah, guys, so yeah, man, the tire stickers, it brings out your car a whole lot. It makes it look better. Makes it look different. I went with the strips this time on this car because I wanted a different look. Now, the last time I had tire stickers, I had my King's Life YouTube logo words on there, and they didn't stick pretty good. It probably was all my fault. I didn't clean the tire pretty good, but this time I cleaned the tires off with this is what you want to use, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what y'all want to use to clean the tires. So you definitely want to use a towel like this. You can buy them at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, wherever. It comes with a pack of 6. You might want to buy 2 packs of those. And then let me go ahead and show y'all what I use to clean the tire with. So what I clean the tire with, guys, I use this right here. I use Meguiar's Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. That's what I use. As soon as when you apply this on your tires, guys, instantly you'll see all that dirt and oil come off your tires. You want to at least use this about maybe, I used it for like 5 times and cleaned the tire off really good with towel. I brushed the oil off of them and everything. So that's what you want to use, guys. And I keep all my chemicals here, and I also have chemicals on this side as well, guys. So that's what you want to use. And this is what you want to use, guys. You want to use let's see here. You want to use some type of thinner or acetone to get all that extra grease off from when you putting all that so I'm gonna show y'all. And then here's the other one, guys. So that's what you want to use to get your tire really clean, guys. That's what you want to use, man. So go ahead and use that and you'll be good to go. So man, so this is what the car looks like now, man. If you do stopping in, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is the inside of my car. So if you guys haven't seen it. Also, guys, this is gonna be the next giveaway. It won't be this one. I'm gonna get y'all a brand new one, guys. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And also I will have another package come with that as well. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Who wouldn't want this, guys? I mean, come on, it's carbon fiber. You got the red racing strip in the middle, and also you have the carbon fiber with the gloss finish on there. If you guys can see, it has the gloss finish on there. So come on, man. Then you got the suede here, Acatera, whatever that is. It's pretty dope. And then also right here on the bottom, you got like some bulkiness going on to make it feel like it's the real deal, guys. So there, that's the inside of my car. If you're new stopping in, if you don't know, I have stars in the roof, guys. I got stars in the roof. Let's see what else I did to this thing. I got the rear window spoiler. That was pretty dope. Hard for me to find. I have the side skirts, carbon fiber side skirts on here. It's really nice. I love the way it looked. Also have some here in the rear. Also have some of those in the rear, carbon fiber everywhere. Got some on this side, guys. And then also I have some in the front here, canters. But I will be changing those out to some different ones because I want to change up the look in the front. So we will be going with a different look, guys. And I cannot wait to lower this back in, guys. That's probably going to be the next thing I do to this car is lower it. And yeah. And I might just go ahead and get that pedal commander, man. That way we can get a quicker throttle response. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like, man. She turned out pretty good, man. She turned out pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all some driving footage real quick before it start raining. That way you guys can hear the exhaust and hear the tires and see the tire stickers at the same time, because I know some of you guys was having issues with me, you know, talking and trying to, you know, having issues trying to hear the exhaust last time. Well, the editor that I use, man, it's kind of tricky sometimes. If you put in a certain amount of value, and then once you load it, it do something different. Y'all know how those little apps are on your phone and everything. That's pretty much what I use to edit my videos for now. So I'm definitely gonna invest in get me a new computer, because my old computer is down. That's why I'm editing on my phone. But yeah, once we get that uploaded and everything and situated, we'll have some more good stuff coming out, man. Drone footage, all that. I definitely want to get a nice little drone So yeah, man, we're gonna get it together. So she sounds good, man. As you guys can hear the exhaust, and she looks good, man. Like I said, I just got to rear that back end, and I also want to change out the headlights, guys. I want to go with some type of Oracle look, some halos or something like that in the front. So yeah, she's coming along, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Y'all make sure y'all, sorry about that, y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Tell me what y'all think about it, man. Tell me what y'all think about it. How y'all liking the upgrades, man? I definitely want to stand out from all the other crossfires out there, man. I definitely want to stand out. I want to look different. I know that there's not that many of crossfires out there, but I just want to show the other crossfire fans that they can do something a little different to bring out the car, you know. I want to do some things that factory should have done. So man, she's looking good. But if y'all tuning in, man, for the first time, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure y'all share my videos with friends and family, cousins, dogs, cats, all that, man. We definitely need your support. I appreciate y'all. I want to do more builds, guys. I want to do a car giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So y'all help me get there, man. I want to bless somebody. And I will be starting to do some other type giveaways for kids as well. I always wanted to do that, guys. So I just got to try to figure out how to do it and what's the process. But definitely gonna get it done, man. And with that being said, this video is over. I appreciate y'all. We out.